new chalk.
I'll be back to put it in. May let you for 2 times. So,
They remember the face. Yes, so I don't forget you. Now you put fan bed for me now. Yes. That day when Basil said no go answer me, make us suffer for road. You can't come help me. Which travel? You need there somewhere they hide. He say may you he say may you come. Thank you. That day you try. God bless you. Huh? Now you fit fan bed for me that day now. What did that guy do for me that day? He suit me for body. I'm not gonna lie you. About to fix new chalk. The first chalk is bad. Now we reassemble it and fix the new one and assemble it. Fix it up. Why you cut the rubber that one? Bashiru, why were those that one being chopped out? You know me, no, you going down. You sure say you going down? No, what it is. I get what happened. Swan, they fast. No waste time. I use police arrest you if you waste time. I'm telling you the truth, I'm not the yoke. So how much you want to do the slippers? Ooh, there's a price. How much last? No, I'll give 80. I'll give 80. I'll give you 80. Kiawa. I'll give 80. Ma at 10, 90. You agree? 90 naira, 90 naira. Kiawa, may you accept Nashu? I said they do for you. I'll give 90 naira. Okay, no, at 20 kobo. 92 kobo.
Now, ai kwana ɗaya ake yin shi suna barin shi ne yana zama ya zauna ya aiki ba hawa za a yi ba.
You fix up this chalk. So how much am I giving you? Sorry? How much? 100 naira. You don't just make 100 naira just now. You know, even it's 5 seconds. Okay, tell me the reason why I'll give you 100 naira. Which work? How many minutes you take doing?
You know they can't minute.
They can't minute too. You know they say abroad with it. Why don't you count minutes? But you know how do you now? I'll just give you 100 naira like that.
You want me hard?
Yes, now you know say Nigeria hard now, country hard. So anything way they do go hard. If you add well, the money go big.
Everything calm down.
The prayer never work now. Yes, we dey pray everything calm down, but as the prayer, sorry, it never work. No, they make me they do this one. What it never work now? Make another delay. But see, hear what it do? He said, "Man, give your money, make it they go." Say, "Man, no delay that." Work is ongoing. See the knee shock. Why? Come, Bashiru. Why new one and Belgium? Which one better pass?
Na new one better pass. Na you know, na you think Belgium. They work out.
Okay. Because most of this one I don't change for this motor. And always they say Belgium. I just surprised this new one can't come. So if you said so. And I think I have changed. I don't change, what is it called? The front one. I change them around March. I think in between March, April. Now I change the two fronts, yes. Then I can't see change the. I think now that thing when if they drive motor, they make whoa. No, not be how about be sharp.
That one, if you can't steer the name, you shout.
Okay. I can't change, but I know I did something like that. So if the driver go to make noise, they follow you. Even to the extent, best way you carry go, they even they hear the noise. And the side when for the apple, if when for the noise for the sound come out, you what is it called? Person when you carry go the observe as in go, it will be pronounced. The water.
Now,
Second leg of the the shock observer.
Oh,